Oh, I can smell cattle or sheep or something. Ah, it's cattle. Poor buggers stuck in there. What a horrible way to get around, eh? There's got to be a better way than shoving them in trucks like that. Hey, g'day folks. Sunday morning. Beautiful looking day, about 20 degrees. Up here in Hahndorf. And there's a bit of a group ride going on today, an easy dirt ride. But I think this is going to be a good old-fashioned cornerman system social ride where we stop and have a chat, and it should be quite good. Our meeting point is here at Otto's Bakery. Right, we're about to get going. They're all waiting for me to go and have a bog. Sorry everyone. 5 CRFs, 2 250s, 3 300s, and a selection of bikes. Righto folks, we're underway. Ripper of a day. As I said, a slight delay. I suppose when you gotta go, you gotta go. Alright, we'll come back when we get to some dirt. All easy dirt today, I'd say. Just a really nice ride in the hills. And yes, the ride is a cornerman system. I've already had my go. I didn't have the camera on to get all the bikes going past, so hopefully I'll get a chance again later. Just out the back of Hahndorf, obviously. Oh gee, it's nice and green up here still. Down our place it's dry as. And now Kangaroo has come back again. I think I said that last week with hello cows, the little Joey. Alright, well it's pretty obvious we're out of the nice lush Hahndorf, Mount Barker Hills now, Stirling, all that sort of stuff. And I can tell you right now we're on, I think it was Pony Ridge Road or something. I haven't got a clue where I am. And this is what I like so much about these cornerman system rides, particularly when you're not the one organising it. You just don't know where you're going. It's just great. You've got no idea what direction you're going in. Yeah, it's really good. Now look at that, folks. Now there's a whole bunch of livestock. It's not a hot day today, it's 20. There's one tree available, 2, and bugger me, they're all under there. Now the poor things have been scared off. Got steak sausages for dinner tonight, sorry cows. Yeah, they love a shady tree, don't they? Right, we just had a regroup in Brukunga. Yeah, the dust isn't too bad, but it's there. At least you can see, it's good visibility. Remember how green it was? Now it's not. Dry as. Oh, there's not a bad shot of a few of the bikes down there. Oh, this is just a little fire track. The detour. I certainly haven't been on here before, so that's good. Somewhere different. Don't even ask me where it is or what it's called. I had a sign but I missed it. And here's Mr. Tail End Charlie. I don't know what's going on here. There's so many people just sort of like all just rocking up at the same time for something, some event obviously, some kind of circus or fair or some kind of event. Bloody hard trying to ride this slow. Probably get some fairy floss in there or a toffee apple, maybe ride on an amusement, you know, a what are those things called? You know, the spinny things. Do they still have the bucking chairs, the bucking horses? Do they still have them? Be the odd person having a vomit later on. Too many strawberries and cream whizzing around. Ah, look, now see that stall there, Nargev? That's a bloody vegan, vegan food truck. There you go. I'll have to let my wife know. And in case you're wondering, Nargev is vegan backwards. Fascinating stuff, these vegans. Now, what is this town called? Tell me, I forgot. Oh, how stupid am I? We went through Canman too. What is this joint called? Is it Langhorne Creek? I got so excited about seeing a vegan food truck, I forgot where I am. If that's not Langhorne Creek, I've completely lost the plot. How could I not remember what that's called? Callington! It's Callington, that's what it was. You bloody simpleton. Okay, I reckon now we're down in Langhorne Creek, and there's some great little tracks down here, but I suspect we won't be going on them today. I could be wrong. It might just have a bit too much sand on them. Not everyone likes sand, so I don't know what he's going to do. But there are some rippers down around this way, short, but just nice little scenic roads with a slight covering of sand, nothing that should give anyone too much trouble. Another CRF. Looking good, looking sharp. And here comes, we got Martin back there waving along on his brand new Transalp, I think it is. He'll be getting covered in dust back there. You won't be happy about that new shiny bike covered in dust. Hard Packed Adventures. That's where you'll find Martin. He's got a whole stable of bikes. Just about to set up a dealership. I tell you, we've been gone now hour and a half, and when you've got a big group of old codgers, we've done well not to have any toilet breaks. I tell you, there are going to be a few people getting off their bikes with bloody cross legs. Righto, well that's about 2 hours we've been gone, and we're in Strathalbyn now, and I understand that's where we're stopping for a coffee, a cake, a pie, a piss, whatever you got to do. Righto folks, well we all had a good yak and a coffee there at Strathalbyn. The ride has continued. I'm going to branch off and head back along Old Bull Creek Road. They're all heading sort of, oh, where are they going? Ashbourne. So I'm going to nip off and get a couple of things done this Sabo. So yep, big thanks to John for organising the ride. It was a good ride. Some roads I haven't been on before, and as I said earlier, half the time I had no idea what direction I was going in. It was quite good. So yeah, Old Ball Creek Road, back to Meadows, and bitumen home. Righto folks, well, I'm back in town again. Yeah, good short, sharp ride this morning, nice and scenic. Had a good yak with a few people I haven't seen for a while. And yeah, get home around 1 o'clock. Whatever we'll do, 170k from Glen Osmond I filled up. And I've used a bit under half a tank. So yeah, I've probably used about, well, so let's say 5 litres to do that 170. That's not bad going. Alright, well that's it. Didn't expect to go for a ride today, but this one popped up and I thought, nah, it'd be a good enjoyable little ride. Alright, see you later. Bye for now, folks.